Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the E2 error on your Black & Decker portable air conditioner, step by step. If your AC suddenly stops working and shows an E2 error, don't panic. This usually means there's a sensor or communication problem inside the unit. Now, here's the solution step by step. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. First, turn off your air conditioner completely. Then unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes to let the internal components reset. Step 2. Restart the unit. Plug the AC back in and turn it on. Sometimes the E2 code appears because of a temporary glitch, and a quick restart clears it. If the code returns, move on to the next step. Step 3. Check the temperature sensor. The E2 error usually points to a faulty or loose temperature sensor. Locate the sensor. It's a small wire near the evaporator coil or behind the air filter area. Make sure it's properly connected and not damaged. If it's covered in dust, gently clean it with a soft cloth. Step 4. Reset the control board. Unplug the unit again. Hold down the power and mode buttons together for about 10 seconds if your model supports manual reset. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This resets the internal control board. Step 5. Contact support if the error persists. If the E2 code still shows after all these steps, it might be a defective sensor or control board. In that case, contact Black & Decker customer support for replacement or service. Important notes. Always unplug your AC before inspecting or resetting it. Avoid running the unit with the E2 code active as it could cause further damage. Regular cleaning and maintenance can prevent many internal sensor issues. And that's it. That's how to fix the E2 error on a Black & Decker portable air conditioner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fix guides.